Welcome to the Surface Fill Solidworks tutorial. In this case, we have two, multiple surfaces that we want to fill a gap in between. That's exactly what the surface fill does. Is it finds that gap. You need a 3D sketch first to define that closed boundary, and then it fills that gap between, two patches of a surface. Very helpful in automotive design. So let's get started. We're just going to do a very basic overview of how to use the feature. So let's get into it. So we're starting with this closed 3D sketch. We've got it fully closed, and we developed this 3D sketch from a series of splines and on two different planes using the two different sketch planes. So we have kind of an outline, a blueprint of our car profile that we're taking that shape of. You can see if I line it up perpendicular, we can see this outline of the 3D sketch here, and facing the Y direction, X direction, and then facing towards down on the Y direction, you can see on the other plane we have that shape there. So we used a 3D sketch to define that curve and that closed loop. So this is where our surface fill is going to come into play now. So let's go ahead and hide those sketches just to make it a little bit easier to work with. So this is our 3D sketch. We're going to go to Insert at the top. We're going to go to Surface and this Fill icon. We're going to select for our patch boundary. It's a closed loop. We've got our 3D sketch selected here, as you can see. It's showing us a yellow preview of the surface fill, how it's going to lay that using the defined boundaries. We don't have any constraint curves. We don't need to check anything fancy here. We can leave this at contact. If we do tangent, there's different settings depending on the shape of your 3D sketch, how it'll form across that closed boundary. So we can leave this to contact, and we don't have any constraint curves, so we'll just select this check mark. And you can see now it's created that surface fill. So there's really not much else to it. I'll show more advanced surfacing techniques in future videos, and thanks for watching.